In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website in just 15 minutes using Squarespace. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you confidently create a stunning website. Let's get started by logging into your Squarespace account. If you don't already have an account, you'll first need to sign up. Once you're on the login page, you'll find an option to sign in using your Google account, which is a handy and secure way to proceed without remembering additional passwords. Now that you're logged in, we're ready to create a website. On your Squarespace dashboard, look for the button that says Create a Website. This is where the magic begins. Clicking on this will lead you to a page filled with a wide variety of templates. Choosing a template is possibly one of the most crucial steps because it sets the foundation for your site's design and functionality. Squarespace offers a plethora of visually appealing templates suitable for any type of website, whether it's for a personal blog, a portfolio, or an online store. Take your time to browse through the templates and select the one that resonates most with your vision. Once you've found the perfect match, click on Start with this design. This will load your chosen template and you're one step closer to bringing your website to life. Now it's time to personalize the template to fit your unique needs. You'll want to click on Edit, which will open up the site's editing mode. While in editing mode, you can begin adding the essential content that makes your website uniquely yours. You might want to start with your homepage, introducing who you are or what your business is about. Use the easy drag and drop interface to modify text, replace images, and arrange different sections as you see fit. Don't hesitate to experiment a little. Being creative is half the fun. To further enhance your website, you'll want to add additional blocks, elements such as images, videos, audio files, and even galleries. To do this, click on Add Block. You'll find a variety of options ranging from basic text and image blocks to more sophisticated ones like forms and calendars. Choose the ones that best suit your site's goals and aesthetic. With these steps, you've quickly created and customized a functional, attractive website on Squarespace. Remember, as you become more familiar with Squarespace, you can continue to refine and enhance your site even further. Experiment with different layouts, fonts, and color schemes until you're completely satisfied. And there you have it, your very own website up and running in no time.